Right now I changed my outfit a little bit. I just changed the bottoms to shorts because I don't know, me and skirts, we get along like physically, like she looks good, but they're never comfortable. Like I always feel like my butt's out. So we're on our way to Pride. Go Pride.
How do you feel 1 to 10? 10, how do you feel? Scale 1 to 10.
That's not really mine.
everybody. This is such a terrible angle.
Is this better?
Today I have my first creator event. Guys, I joined the content creation group at my school. I am currently attending our first training. I woke up super late, as you can tell. I'm filming in the car. I had no time to film any footage this morning. It's currently 7:22. It starts at 7:30. Right now I'm just gonna do my lips and then I'll go inside. A little worried because I don't see very many cars, to be honest, and it's 7:25, so where's everyone at?
Literally, where is everyone at? Like,
It said that there would be 43 attendees. I'm only seeing 5 or 6 cars, maybe 10. Let's go. There's like absolutely no one on campus. Getting lost is actually what I do best. I got back to the car. I just found out that I didn't have to be here until 9 a.m. I'm just gonna go put gas, and I don't know. I'm just gonna go use something else. This will aid my sleep schedule, so it's fine, I guess. Guess it's okay. But I rushed to get ready this morning and everything. I thought I overslept. Dang, I woke up early for no reason, guys. Moments like these are the exact reason why I take a blanket and a jacket everywhere I go. But it just happens that today, of all days, is the day that I do not have a blanket or a jacket with me. It's 8:10. It doesn't start till 9, so I think I'm just gonna take a nap until 8:40.